Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Electrode. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the body with a large circle. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a long curve across. Now in the top section, we're going to draw the eyes. Let's draw two tall, skinny ovals. And color them both in black. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the eyebrows. On top of the right eye, let's draw a small curve in the center. And then bring it up and over. Now for the left eye, let's draw a longer line down. And also let's curve it out and up. Now let's hop up on the top left and let's draw some diagonal lines like this. Next we're going to hop into the bottom section and let's draw the mouth. Let's start on the left and let's draw a long curve over and up to the right side. And then underneath, let's draw a diagonal line down. And a small one underneath on the left. And now let's curve it over and up to close off the shape of the mouth. And lastly, let's hop in and let's draw two lines down on the right side. And that's it for Electrode. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!